I will talk about how can you disable uh, or how can you enable light mode on your NovelTown app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on mine down here, just click on it. When you just click on mine, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to night mode, click in this sign or this color here. So like you see color, it's gone, that's made light mode enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.